Discover the power of the high-speed, fully automatic Purlin roll forming machine made. Our roof forming machines are popular in many countries. The roll forming machine adopts automatic control and cut to length. The product length can be any size. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Press the button and touch the screen to operate. Easy to operate. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ideal for manufacturers seeking reliable and high-performance roll forming solutions. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.